Sri Comforts is a 15-year-old company, and we have started in 2001, 27 same day, and today we are entering into 15th year of business, and we have this is our third showroom of exclusive Daikin showroom, and one already in Banjara Hills and one in Tirupati, and one here now, and we will be expanding to another 10 showrooms, exclusive Daikin showrooms, and we also have branches across South India. We have in Chennai, Bangalore, Tirupati, Khammam, and even Vizag. And we'll also be entering into Vijayawada and other markets. And we are very specialized in VRV technology. We have installed more than 25,000 HP of VRV technology, whereas even our competitor, the whole company itself, not installed 5,000 units. Some of the competitors. See, we are around, apart from direct selling of Daikin through us, we are now a 40 crore company, and we are looking at a 100 crore company over a period of time in another 2-3 years with the market expansion and business growth.
How many Daikins are there in Telangana?
We in Daikin?
How many Daikins are there in Telangana?
Yeah, we have in Telangana, we have a showroom in Khammam. We have opening in Khammam. We will be opening a new showroom in Khammam, and here. Now we will also planning to do something in Warangal, Karimnagar, and other places. So this is our expansion plan we have, and right now we are employing almost 125 to 150 people direct, and another 200-300 people indirectly. Over a period of time, our aim is when we touch 100 crores, we will be touching even 1,000 of staff strength, what we employ. So we are happy about it, and we are well known in the market for our service. We have our own service team, and we are the best in our service quality. We have many celebrities are our customers, and we tend to grow, expand, and many of the major MNCs also is our customers, like Google and other people are there, ADP and all major Hyderabad, the major MNCs are our customers, and we expand further.